This was my second stay here, and I opted for a slightly larger studio. I love that I can cook, keep food in the fridge, and just relax here while in London.
Extremely small room and bathroom. Kitchenette / is a 50 cm wide cupboard containing fridge, sink, microwave with cutlery, plates etc. on the top shelf, out my reach and I / am not short.
Squeaky clean bathroom and kitchen. Lots of open shelves to see all your stuff. Enough kitchenware. Warm and sometimes even hot a little, which wasn't a problem at all. Just opened a window in the kitchen. Hot water with good pressure anytime. Friendly staff.
Be aware that reception has limited hours. If you / are arriving outside those hours, you may prefer staying at their sister location with 24-hour reception instead of dragging your luggage there and back.
Staff is professional and friendly. The place provides rooms with a small kitchen to use if you like homemade food. Food stores are quite close. There are also many cafes, pubs and restaurants.
The studio / did not at all look like the spacious apartment shown on the booking profile. It was a rather small room and didn't / even have a desk to work on. The kitchen / was in the right side of a cupboard and consisted of a sink and a microwave.